sit by the gate on the old and to whistle into King Muldoon. I was coming, Harry Eamon, and I was coming from the farm down the neighbouring when I met the trimming like a ball. She gave me such a smile that I felt again and I never slept a wink that night at all. And the next time that I met her, I told her all below. She just nearly and let her basket fall. She says, go on, you speak with the dreadful, then go and tell me father and it all. So I loved her round and round the old hall, while the hawthorn blossoms are in bloom, and to sit by the gate on the old mossy gate, and to whisper in the King Muldoon. I was thrashing in the bar while our father came one day. Said Patrick Murphy, what is this? He nearly died. I've been speaking with my daughter now, and what have you to say? Must you feel I couldn't say a single word? Then he took me by the hand, shook me by the Patsy, me son. I'd be glad to see you settle well and right. And since you love me, daughter, and our heart you're very one, I'd be glad to go and make the girl your wife. So I loved her round the old roaring, while the hawthorn blossoms are in bloom, and to sit by the gate on the old mossy seat, and always whispering the King Muldoon.
We've discovered a very, very fantastic talent. Now you can say I'm a bullshitter if I'm wrong, right? Come up here and do a bit of that whistling you've been doing. You hear this sounds like a lark. Put that pipe down. Put it down. No. Put it down and give me the guitar. You're gonna do some whistling. Come up there and whistle like whistle with the, you know. Come up. Hey. And what about Danny Boy? What would you like to whistle? What do you want to whistle? Do that tune he's after doing. In the key of F. Yeah. Go on. Whistle.
Yeah, I know you're whistling there like a star.
You were whistling it. Listen to this. Seriously. Don't be shy now. Don't let me down. Right. Right, listen to this, lads. Where you go? Whistle. Hey, you know what, Ronan? Don't be shy. I swear to God. It's a sure sign of a man's talent when he gets shy at the critical moment.
Hey, you know what?
Right. It's the hardest thing to relay your talent. Right.
You just can't do it.
Okay.
You can't do it.
Where you go?
Wait. Hold together, whistle. Hold together. Hey, stop laughing because you can't. No, you just have to stop laughing because you can't laugh and whistle at the same time. It's impossible. And again. The old ball green, and the whole town of listen, and to sit by the gate on the old mossy gate, and to whisper into King Muldoon. whole town blossoms and blue, and to sit by the gate of the old country.
I want someone to send me that video. Who's going to send it to me? I'll give you my email address. Will you send that to me? All right.
Hold a second.
I've never heard that.
Hold a second.
That's unreal.
I don't forget, and I don't think any of us forget that there's not one person here that hasn't some relative or friend or somebody at home or near home that are not able to come out and all that, you know, that handicapped or very sick and all of that. And I understand all that thing very well. And we're now not forgetting about them things. And when somebody or some trade goes round to collect and somebody goes out and has the guts to go out and ask you for a few, no matter what you put into this, don't be afraid to give a little extra for all these people gathered up. I'll tell you, ladies and gentlemen, and it's a great